there is an AI tool for almost everything. And in this video, I'm going to talk about an AI tool which can create PowerPoint presentation for you in just one click. So there is an AI tool called GammaAI which can create PowerPoint presentations by using text prompt. Hey guys, my name is Manvin Singh, and in this video we are going to review a tool called GammaAI, and I will show you how to use this app so that you also save your time while creating presentations. So open the website gamma.app, and right now this tool is completely free. So you can simply sign up here by Google. I have already created an account, so I just log in, and once you are in, you will see a lot of options. And for example, right now I'm interested in creating a PowerPoint presentation on maybe advanced technology. So I just click on create new AI, and here I will select generate. And now you will get three options: presentation, document, and a web page. So I want to create a presentation right now. I will click presentation, and I want to create a presentation on advanced technology. So I will just write, I want to create a presentation on future technology and gadgets. Okay. And now it will automatically generate some headings that should be needed in your presentation. And if you want to edit it, you can definitely edit it, making just some changes that you want. And if you don't want to make changes, just hit continue. Now you need to select the style of presentation. I will choose dark one and hit continue. And as you can see, it is already started creating presentation. So this AI tool created a presentation on future and technology gadgets. And as you can see, this presentation is very good. And the fun fact is, you can also download and directly present this presentation from here. Let's try to create another presentation, and this time let's create a fun presentation on friends. Okay, I will select presentation, and let's see it is able to create presentation on friends or not. So as you can see, it generated a lot of heading. I am excited. Okay, hit continue, and it will take couple of seconds. And as you can see, it started creating a presentation on friends show. This is amazing, because creating these kinds of presentation will definitely take an hour. And with the help of AI, now you can create these kinds of presentation in just a minute. You can download this presentation, and if you want to make some changes, you can definitely make some changes in your traditional app called PowerPoint presentation. Or you can simply just click here and make some changes. For example, I want to add some here, maybe thanks created by, and simply you can make some changes like this. I'm just surprised because this tool is very helpful for everyone, because we need to create PowerPoint presentation in school, college, and in offices. And creating PowerPoint presentation will take a lot of time. And with the help of Gamma.app, you can easily create the PowerPoint presentation in couple of minutes. So this is it for this video. And if you want to give a try to this app, you can definitely check out the link in description, and make sure to subscribe to our channel, because I'm going to bring these kinds of videos regularly now.